What's up? I'm AJ, and welcome to Carroll Shelby Heritage Center. I had the opportunity to visit the Carroll Shelby Heritage Center in Las Vegas, Nevada, which is also the headquarters for Carroll Shelby of America. The Heritage Center is both a museum and a manufacturing center, as I'll show you in a few moments. The museum has over a dozen Shelby Cobra vehicles, but for those who maybe haven't heard of Carroll Shelby, he is a storied race car driver and car tuner. Originally from Leesburg, Texas, his father took him to a racetrack at age 7. This sparked an obsession with cars, and he borrowed his dad's mail Jeep and was later pulled over by local police for doing over 85 miles an hour. He joined the military in World War II and tried his hand at chicken farming, and the rest is history. But I'm here to see the Super Snake, so I get my VIP passes and wait in the lounge for the tour. Once the tour starts, you're escorted into the manufacturing floor. There's already a row of Cobras ready to go, including this gorgeous SSR.
These are the SSRs. So this is the Super Snake Race Edition. These are 850 horsepower pre-designed cars. Vince loved his Super Snake, and there's a few things that he didn't know about. This is actually one of the top Cobras.
SSR stands for Super Snake Racing, and this one has a supercharged and worked over Coyote motor, putting out over 800 horsepower. There's some other Cobras here too, including this sleek black one. And this white one as well, which is in the process of having the wheel arches flared. We can even see that it has a supercharger too. Of course, Shelby doesn't just make Mustangs. They also build performance Shelby F-150s and Raptors as well. With the tour over and my name sign on the wall, I turn my attention back to the museum. We start with one of the original Shelby Cobras, prominently displayed front and center. They even have two very special Cobras, a gold one and even a chrome-plated one. Next, they have a gorgeous Shelby GT500 California Special Series Mustang, which sits right next to a Green Hornet 1968 500 EXP. They even have one of Carroll Shelby's old race cars. All of this reminds me of the Shelby GT350 at CarMax that my dad could have bought if only I convinced him a little bit more.
It's a GT350 somebody's trading in.
I may not be bringing a Shelby home, but Florida already has a bit of Shelby history to it. At the Sebring International Raceway in Central Florida, the old Airport Raceway is flanked by Carroll Shelby Road. Carroll Shelby has a long history of racing in Florida, including the Sebring and Daytona raceways. I may not have come home with the Shelby Cobra, but I didn't just get a shirt. I got this pretty sweet looking jacket that looks just as good in a Fiero as it does a Shelby Cobra. Thank you for watching.
Three American-made sports cars, powered by modified Ford stock engines, made an incredible 1-2-3 sweep of the world's most coveted endurance championship, the 24 Hours of Le Mans.